Software developer. Software developers are in high demand, and the field is expected to grow rapidly in the coming years. Data scientist. Data science is a growing field, and demand for professionals with data science skills is expected to remain strong. Cloud architect. Cloud computing is an essential part of modern technology infrastructure, and cloud architects are in high demand. Cybersecurity analyst. With the increasing risk of cyber threats, cybersecurity analysts are in high demand to help protect organizations from cyber attacks. Mobile application developer. The use of mobile devices continues to grow, and mobile application developers are in demand to create applications for smartphones and tablets. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field, and the demand for professionals with machine learning skills is expected to remain strong. DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers are in demand to help organizations streamline their software development processes and improve software delivery. Network administrator. Network administrators are in demand to manage and maintain computer networks for organizations. IT project manager. IT project managers are in demand to oversee the planning, execution, and monitoring of IT projects. Database administrator. Database administrators are in demand to design, implement, and maintain databases used by organizations. UX, UI designer. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, designers are in demand to create user-friendly interfaces and experiences for software applications and websites. Technical writer. Technical writers are in demand to create documentation that explains complex technical information in a clear and concise manner.